11:57 AM. You can see the moon's definitely less covering the sun now. Moving away, let's get to, that's 48 times zoom. Yeah, so there's not much left. It's going to take till 12:26 before the last bit of the moon moves out of the way of the sun. I'm going to try and film that bit. It all depends on clouds. Couldn't see the start of the solar eclipse from Cambridge. Had to wait quite some time before I could actually see anything today. But I've got quite a bit of footage from sometime after 11 AM. So be able to. I've got a lot of footage anyway. Look through my videos. Click like if you like it. Subscribe to me. There we go. That's 52 times zoom.